Hello everyone. Welcome to ONPASSIVE channel, where we talk about everything AI. Let's get started with the video to understand what ONPASSIVE ecosystem is all about and what it has in store for modern enterprises. Let's go into detail to tell you a little bit more about it. ONPASSIVE ecosystem is a comprehensive AI-powered technology platform that offers a range of cutting-edge products and solutions. It is designed to enhance the experience for businesses and individuals alike. So what's on the dashboard of the ONPASSIVE ecosystem? Here is the product menu where you can access all the products available. The ONPASSIVE dashboard includes a marketplace section, showcasing various products and services available for purchase, along with the My Wallet section, which provides an up-to-date view of your financial status, so you can always stay on top of your finances. Then there is the section of My Users that gives you quick access to your connections, allowing you to manage your network and grow your online presence. There is a My Subscriptions section where you can easily manage recurring payments and ensure you get the most out of your ONPASSIVE experience. The My Orders section provides a convenient place to view all your orders and track the status of your purchases. And this section of My Favorites allows you to save and organize your favorite products and services, making it easier to find what you need when you need it. The Ticket Status section provides quick access to the status of any support tickets you have submitted, so you can stay up to date on any issues you face. Lastly, we have the My Contacts section where you can access all your contacts. The ONPASSIVE ecosystem is a significant step forward in AI-powered digital enterprises. We have several products in store for you that will help your business connect to the digital world efficiently. Sign into the ONPASSIVE ecosystem today by logging into www.onpassive.com and accessing innovative products designed to make your business work smoothly. Stay tuned for more updates.